Usemco is a diversified manufacturer of steel atmospheric tanks, process vessels, ASME pressure vessels, piping assemblies, and specialty machining. We are certified with the Steel Tank Institute, Underwriters Laboratories, Steel Plate Fabricators Association, and ASME for pressure vessels to the U and H construction code designators. We routinely work with carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum plate and piping. All fabrication is assisted by 3D modeling using Autodesk Inventor. Our engineering department consists of over 15 individuals, many of whom have mechanical and electrical degrees. We manufacture to a set of given specifications, or if provided with adequate design parameters, our engineering team will partner with the customer to engineer a solution. Our largest CNC plate roller is 10 foot wide and capable of handling 3/4 inch steel plate. A 12 foot by 40 foot Messer plasma table for precision cuts, beveling, and etching of the steel plate. A press brake with a 12-foot bed and 320-ton capabilities. A Yaskawa robotic welder used for small to medium tank fabrication and weldment parts. Welding capabilities include MIG, TIG, and sub-arc, with X-ray certification when required. Pipe processing is up to 24 inch in diameter. Lifting capabilities are up to 120,000 pounds for finished products. Our blast booth is a 25-foot wide by 75-foot long by 28-foot tall structure, utilizing an angular steel shot or glass bead for surface preparation and blast profile. The coatings booth is a 3-zone, climate-controlled, 25-foot wide by 100-foot long by 28-foot tall structure. Our coatings application equipment uses a plural component gun capable of applying a diverse range of coatings to meet our customers' specifications. Completed products may be vacuum or hydrostatically tested when required. In addition to direct sales, Usemco contract manufactures for a wide range of customers, including the HVAC, refrigeration, water filtration, and asphalt industries. Experience the Usemco difference and contact us at 608-372-5911 or visit us at www.usemco.com.